What if healing wasn't something that you had to figure out alone? What if peace was possible, even in the middle of your mess? Welcome to the very first episode of the Serenity Podcast, a sacred space for those who are walking through recovery, personal transformation, or just simply longing for more peace. My name is Charlene, and I am so honored that you are here. This podcast is for the ones who are rebuilding after loss, rising after failure, and rediscovering who they are after everything that they have been through. It is for the mothers, the daughters, the sisters, friends, and yes, even the fathers, brothers, and the sons who are learning to breathe again. You are the hero of your own story, and I am just here to guide the way. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like the world expects you to just get over it before you have even had time to understand what it really is? Have you even looked in the mirror and wondered, is this really who I am meant to be? Or maybe you have given so much of yourself to everyone else that there's not much left at the end of the day for you. I see you because I have been there too. There was a time when I was walking through my own valley, facing things that I never thought that I would be able to survive. Loneliness, the soul crushing weight of shame. But by the grace of God, I found healing. I found purpose, and now I want to help others do the same. This podcast and everything that I create through Serenity Crest Solutions is not about perfection. What it is about is progress. It's about peace. It's about rediscovering the woman or the man that God has designed you to be before the pain, before the fear, before life flipped everything for you upside down. And I am not coming to you as someone with all the answers. I am just coming to you as someone who has done the hard work, who is still doing the work, and who has seen firsthand what is possible when healing and faith come together. I am a mother, a teacher, a recovery warrior, a woman who walked through the fire and made it out with a testimony. And I would like to share everything that I have learned with you. So here is what you can expect from this podcast. Weekly encouragement rooted in faith and personal growth. Audio devotionals to ground you in peace and scripture. Gentle prompts and sometimes challenges to guide your healing journey. Stories from others who have walked this road and they have found light again as well. And most importantly, reminders that you are not alone. We will talk about what it means to heal, to set boundaries, to rediscover your voice, and to forgive yourself. We will talk about parenting through pain, building a new life, and creating habits that nourish your soul instead of draining it. This is not just some kind of self help. This is soul help. Imagine being able to wake up with peace in your heart instead of anxiety in your chest. Imagine feeling clear on what you want and being confident enough to go get it. Imagine letting go of this shame and finally stepping into the joy that's been waiting for you all along. Whether you are in the middle of recovering, supporting someone who is, or just trying to rebuild your life from the inside out, this podcast is your reminder that healing is possible, peace is possible, and most importantly, you are possible. So here's what I want you to do. If you haven't already, subscribe to this podcast wherever you are listening from. And if this first episode speaks to your soul, I invite you to visit my Patreon page where you can go even deeper. There you will find exclusive resources, guided journaling devotionals, and the full Serenity Support Circle, which is our faith-based coaching membership, which is designed to support your growth week by week. Whether you are fully committed to joining the community or just want to listen quietly from the sidelines for now, I really want you to know this. You are welcome here. You are loved here, and you are not walking this road alone. This is just the beginning. Each week, I will be right here with you, speaking life, offering support, and reminding you that your past does not define your future. You are allowed to grow, to change, and to bloom in your own time. Thank you for trusting me with your heart. Until next time, breathe deep, stay rooted in grace, and remember, healing is not a destination, it is a journey, and you do not have to take it alone.